After 3 incredible days in Fes, I'm heading to Taza today. My new friend Ftetem came to pick me up.
Oh, okay. You are doing it well. Very good. Very good.
Ftetem is about my age. Adventurous, open, loving, and a strong, independent woman. We instantly became close. She runs an outdoor tour and activity agency in Taza and is beyond excited to show me the natural beauty of her beloved hometown and motherland.
Okay. But we need this high top. Okay.
She planned an exciting adventure and insisted I needed proper outdoor gear, so we stopped by an outlet store on our way to Taza.
So this is all we have? Yes.
Taza is the capital of Taza province in northern central Morocco, just an hour and a half drive from Fes. Situated south of the Rif Mountains, the city consists of 2 formerly separate towns built on terraces overlooking a mountain valley. This is Shibor for the upcoming Eid holiday, one of the most important traditions in Muslim countries. Families get a sheep or goat to commemorate how God provided a sheep in place of Abraham's son. We finally reached Taza and arrived at Ftetem's home. After greeting her lovely family and having a quick home-cooked lunch, Ftetem takes me to the first surprise destination, a traditional Moroccan spa, the hammam. It's a type of steam bath deeply connected with Islamic culture. Later, I learned from a Moroccan guide that in the past, some parents used hammams to find beautiful wives for their sons, as they could see women without their hijabs or niqabs. This hammam is a smaller, more private one that Ftetem frequents in her neighborhood. It may seem exotic or surprising to some cultures, but it feels so familiar to me. It brings back memories of growing up with the public bath and exfoliation culture in Korea.
Simple. Ah.
After the full bathing, it's time for hairstyling. Ftetem tells me she gets this service every other day along with her hammam visit. And it's incredibly affordable, just a few dollars.
So I was invited to Ftetem's uncle's dinner. Yes, it's good. Yes. So we are gonna get ready for tonight at the dinner, family dinner. They're welcoming me after Moroccan traditional bath spa. It was really good. So
The
sweet.
family prepared
Wow.
a beautiful
Okay.
outfit for the dinner
What's the name of
gathering.
this outfit? Wow, I love this color. So beautiful.
And my mom who made it.
Mom made it. Wow. That looks gorgeous. Ooh. What if it's too tight for me? It's not? Oh, okay. Hopefully I fit in.
It's really
Yeah, it's good. Okay.
With this.
Belt. So special.
Yes.
Oh, very beautiful. Oh my god, I'm ready. I'm gonna get ready. Okay. Makeup. Full makeup. Wait for me. I'll do full makeup
Yes, yes.
for the party. Okay.
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 So, I will wear that.
Okay.
Take your time.
Huh?
On our way to her uncle's place, it's already past 8 p.m., so we are running a little late for dinner.
Okay.
You can
Oh,
help
of
with
course.
this.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Forget anything.
Yeah.
Now,
this is a video. Okay, it's good. Really? Oh, cousin from Korea! No way! Hi, salam. Salam. 안녕. 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 No, no, only English. Yes. Thanks for inviting. Yes. Woo! Salam. Ah, shukran, 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 shukran. Mom, you pretty too. You look beautiful. Salam. Sava. Sava. Salam. Assalamualaikum. Hello again. Salam. Good to see you. Oh.
Husband is Korean. Equals Joe.
안녕. 안녕.
She's Korean, like you.
I'm not Korean.
You're not Korean. You don't want to be Korean. That's not cool.
I'm American.
You're American. Korean, American, Moroccan. You're everything. Give me a kiss. Auntie, good to see you. One more.
One more.
Kisses. Yes, because Moroccan mama is beautiful.
Thank you.
Daughter is
She's my grandma.
sister, grandma.
Dinner slow-cooked goat with dates was prepared by Ftetem's mom. It's divine.
또 감사합니다.
Yeah.
감사합니다. Korean. In
Moroccan's
Korean, yes.
hospitality with its heartwarming, earthy cuisine truly makes me feel at home.
My mom cooks this.
Oh, mom cooks.
Yeah.
Mom. 7 o'clock in the morning, we are going to camping activities. Slept for about 4 hours, and we are on the road. I still have makeup on from last night, but it is what it is. We're gonna have lots of fun. Let's go.
Day 2 is with Ftetem's tour business. Today, she's hosting a group tour with local women, mostly her regular clients and friends.
Salam.
It will be here. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay.
Her tours are popular and fill up quickly, especially with women, as she's passionate about promoting female engagement and local connections.
How are you? Salam.
I don't speak English.
Ah, you don't speak English. Ah, okay. Ah, French. Oh, sorry. I don't speak French. So we'll just talk. We'll just communicate. Yes. It's very. And we're sleeping inside here? Car? Where are we sleeping? Okay, you're gonna surprise me again.
I will not say anything.
So Moroccans never tell me the full story, full plan.
Plans.
Ah, dangerous.
But after you find a good plan.
Yes,
Yes.
but I need to prepare mentally.
Just trust me.
Okay.
هو يطلق بينك كان
We are driving about 1.5 hours southwest with a group of women, ranging in age from 25 to 55, from students to professionals like a dancer and a lawyer.
أنا كنت بقلبك كنت ويايا
During the ride, I learned some Moroccan songs while admiring the breathtaking landscapes outside the window. We stopped at a local hotel for lunchtime. No, actually, this is breakfast.
very traditional way of breakfast. The coffee and Moroccan tea and what was the name?
Maghrib.
Margaret. Salmon. Bread. Crush.
Zitoun.
Yes. Olive. Like olive. Very typical, traditional.
Yes.
With the view.
You want a little bit of sugar?
No, I'm good.
For Moroccan tea. With
A
sugar,
little
without.
bit sugar. A little bit sugar.
After breakfast, we hike a bit to reach Chara cave.
With donkey.
Merci. Thank you.
Welcome. Hi.
Hi. The best Ftetem in the world.
Thank you a lot.
Now we are all geared up in adventure suits with safety helmets. Ftetem in full professional mode gives us an introduction and guidance for the Tabert cave adventure. Taza is home to many caves and sinkholes, and Chara Tabert cave stands out for its depth and complexity. I had no idea what I was getting into, a real surprise indeed.
What did I sign up for? you didn't explain.
Be careful. Wait. Yes, it's okay now. Okay.
But soon enough, I embraced the challenge and fully indulged in the journey. Chara Tower Cave was formed through the dissolution of limestone, resulting in stunning underground formations like stalactites, stalagmites, and flower stones. These formations, millions of years old, offer valuable insights into the geological history of the region. Unique species like bats and insects thrive in the cave's dark and humid environment. Singing together in this deep natural cave is such a unique experience. The collective energy we share is incredibly meaningful.
La la. La la. La la.
No injuries, thankfully we made it.
Hey, liar. She killed me.
You hate me now?
I hate you, but I love you. At the same time.
I love you too. I love you too.
Yes?
Yeah.
You like it?
I liked it, but
It's more difficult. It's
yeah, it's because of the cold.
yes, I told you.
The sun, I missed it more than ever. And of course, after that intense workout, we need a good meal.
Yes. I'm yeah. How are you? What did you do? Were you just resting?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yes. Yes.
We stopped at a small local lodge owned by a family in Tabert. It's fascinating to see how communities like this live, isolated yet connected to nature and traditions. Ftetem and others like her are bridging the gap, supporting rural communities through ecotourism.
Oh my God, Pepin! What a surprise!
Yeah.
This is serious.
Yeah, it's not just kidding. It's Taza, it's Morocco.
And then came another surprise. Ftetem planned my wedding. We are doing a traditional Zouaji Bini Warayen ceremony, a Berber tribe in the Taza region of northern Morocco. Well, welcome to my wedding without a groom in a Berber tribe tradition. Who'd have thought? It's definitely a once-in-a-lifetime adventure during my first visit to Morocco.
الله معاك فهنية وهنية يا لا ربي يحميها بارك الله عليها ربي يحميها هكا أحلى ولي
الشوكة ما كتخرجش بزاف
ولكن زوين الله يعطيك الصحة.
شوية وصافي أنا شحال ما صوت.
After the fun ceremony, before returning to our normal lives, we prayed together. It's my first time praying in the Muslim way, and I got a brief introduction to the fundamental concept of the Quran. It feels so sacred, learning about their beliefs and values. I often think that all prayers, regardless of religion, align in their pursuit of goodness, peace, and love for humanity and dignity.
يدير عليك آمين آمين الله يرضى عليك الله يرضى عليك الله يرضى عليك الله يرضى عليك بنتي.
Even if we only stayed at the family's house for a few hours, it felt like months or even centuries, like our special time travel. The group tour is over, but our real adventure is just beginning. 2 days with Ftetem and Khalid.
Is this working, right? this is working, right? We can ride this, right?
And once again, I'm shocked at this our camping car.
Wow.
How do you think about it?
This is a fantastic.
Okay.
This is one of a kind
Unique.
experience. Very unique.
Yeah.
All day
Okay,
unique.
it's unique. A lot of surprises.
A lot of surprises. Like I'm surprised every moment.
Yeah.
Get involved in. So I think I'm in the right place. That's in the
Before hitting the road, I'm on a quick call with other Moroccan partners who've been working with me on an inclusive ecotourism project. They're curious to hear about my experiences and impressions from the first few days. The government focuses on digitization and ecotourism sector. So huge. My company is also doing a lot of global projects. So this is one of.
As I saw through the platform of your company, it's very promising, and I'm sure that you will make a wonderful journey here.
Yeah, with the good people, you know.
To my surprise, the camping car not only works but is powerful enough to take us up to the mountain and cover miles and miles. It's a legit camping car. And the sunset. It is pure magic, serene and otherworldly.
If you want, you can scream.
With these passionate, open, and kind friends and partners, I'm learning about a new world. I'm speechlessly grateful for being invited on this journey. Heart to heart, mind to mind, I feel like I must be Moroccan in the past life. The beauty of the people, culture, and nature fills me with gratitude and prayer at every breath, every moment.